Hello children, we hope you all are doing well. Today we will discuss about traveling. Traveling means going from one place to another than different purposes. The travelers always travel the most beautiful places. Someone travels for knowledge, pleasure, and for business. Dear children, who was the first traveler in India? Megasthenes, ambassador of Seleucus Nicator, was the first foreign traveler to India. India has witnessed the visit of great foreign envoys like Al-Masudi, Fa-Hien, Xuanzang, Marco Polo, and Abdul Razak, etc. Fa-Hien was first Chinese monk to travel to India in search of great Buddhist scriptures at the age of 65. He travelled mostly on foot from central China, taking the southern route through Shenzhen, Dunhuang, and then over the Himalayas to Gandhara and Peshawar. Travel is related to an individual's movement from one place to another place due to work, to meet family friends for a short. But tourism, on the other hand, refers to the movement of an individual for recreational purposes. Tourism is the activities of people traveling to and staying in places outside their usual environment for leisure, business, and other purposes for not more than 1 year. There are three basic forms of tourism: domestic tourism, inbound tourism, and outbound tourism. Children, do you like excursion? Why are excursions good for students? Excursions are seen as an integral part of the school curriculum as they enable students to explore, extend, and enrich their learning and their social skills development in a non-school setting. They also promote engagement levels, build confidence, teamwork, and create connections. There are different types of traveling like bus, car, boat, train, airplane, etc. You know, traveling reduces our stress. So, I think everyone likes traveling. Do you also like traveling? Yes, you also like traveling. Come on children, let us enjoy the story. Trip to Kerala. Raman and Radha went on a trip to Kerala with their parents. They travelled by train. Kerala is in South India. Many tourists from all over the world come to see this beautiful place. Raman asked to Mummy, "How much longer, Mummy?" Raman's mother replied, "We are going to reach in an hour. An hour means 1 hour." Raman, Radha, and their parents travelled in a train to Alappuzha in Kerala. They were happy to step onto the station platform. The railway journey was a bit tiring. Bit tiring means small tired. They took a taxi to their hotel. Alappuzha is famous for beautiful backwaters and beaches. Alappuzha is also known as Alleppey. The next morning, Raman and Radha ate their breakfast quickly. They were going to the Alappuzha beach. It is one of the most beautiful beaches in Kerala. The family took a taxi and reached the beach. "Look, Raman, a lighthouse!" shouted Radha excitedly. The beach is also an interesting spot for tourists. The children clicked pictures of the lighthouse. After playing at the beach for long, they all felt hungry and stopped for lunch. After lunch, they went to the backwaters. Their father hired a houseboat to enjoy the backwaters. Raman, Radha, and their parents sat in the houseboat and enjoyed the blue waters and green palm trees. It was really a wonderful and unforgettable experience. The next day, they took a bus and reached Munnar. Munnar is a beautiful hill station in Kerala. It has tea plantations and pleasant weather. Look, Raman, a herd of elephants on that hill there, said Radha excitedly. Wow, what a beautiful sight! Let me take their picture. I will show it to my friends, replied Raman. Later, they watched a cultural show of Kerala's arts, Kathakali. Kathakali is a very famous traditional dance. The dancers dress in colorful clothes. It is one of the oldest dance forms in the world. Kalaripayattu is a martial art of Kerala. It was a delight to watch the performances. Raman clicked many pictures of the artists in their beautiful costumes. It was a memorable vacation. They bid goodbye to Kerala and decided to return soon. Dear children, did you enjoy the story? Now let's move to the time of question. What is Kathakali? Kathakali is a very famous traditional dance. It is one of the oldest dance forms in the world, which is a famous tourist place in South India, Kerala. Alappuzha is also known as Alleppey. Did the children love the holiday in Kerala? Yes, all the children love holiday in Kerala. What do you mean by plantation? It means a large piece of land where crops such as rubber, coffee, tea, or sugar are grown.
Dear parents, children love very much to move from one place to another place and visit to enjoy. Whenever you get time, provide opportunities for your children to visit as many places as possible. Schools also organize excursion, educational tours, and in higher education institution, students go for industrial visit and job training. So from all these places, the young students gain knowledge, acquire skill, collect lot of informations. Such experience in younger age will give them better explosion, will give them courage.
Thank you, children.